When you sign up to Gridfox, you will be given an account. Projects are then created under your user account. This video is going to cover some common account management activities, such as upgrading your account to a new plan, managing billing information, and adding account admins to the account. If we take a look at the Gridfox homepage, here I'm logged in as Nick, and I can see his account here and the projects underneath it, and also the accounts for two others, as well as their projects that have been invited to. So whilst we're looking at the home page, what you can do is rename your account from here. So make any changes as needed. This will take effect for anyone who has been invited to a project in your account. To manage your account information, open up the account menu in the top right hand corner by selecting Settings. This will open up on your personal information where you can amend name information and the company. Simply make the changes and click Save. To amend information about your account, select the account from the left-hand menu. If you've been added as an admin to multiple accounts, you'll see these all listed here. Whilst looking at the account, you can see the plan that you're currently on, anyone who has been added as an admin to your account, and all users in projects within your account. So if you need to update the card details for which you pay your subscription with, you can click the Update Card Details button. You can then select Add New Card, enter in the information and click Update. All future payments will then be taken from that card. Where you need to upgrade your plan, so for instance you need some more users or some more projects, you can click the Upgrade Plan button, and this will show the latest pricing for the plans that we have available. Simply select to upgrade on the plan that you would like, complete the required card information or use your existing card and confirm the changes. To help manage your account, you can add additional account admins. Account admins can create new projects within your account. They can rename and delete projects. They're also able to edit all projects in the project admin capacity, and they can invite new users to the project. Account admins can't manage any billing information or upgrade information. To add a new account admin, simply click the Add Account Admin button, enter their email address, click Add Admin, and an invite will be sent to them. They will have immediate access to all your projects, so make sure you definitely want to send the invite before clicking Add Admin. To remove an admin from your account, just click the Remove User button. This will delete them from your account, but they will still have access to other projects that they have been invited to. So that's it. You've seen how to upgrade your account, change the card details, and add account admins to your account to help manage your projects.